so today I'm going to meet my friend that's visiting here from California, and we are gonna go check out Chanel. I want to see what is new, and I have an alteration to do there. So guys, this is my friend Diana. Look how gorgeous she looks, Zimmerman. Oh my gosh, she is my friend from Instagram, right, Ty?
Yeah.
We met like I don't know how many years ago. Do you remember?
He was a baby.
He was a baby. Look at how big he is now.
I don't know, like 4 years ago?
4 years ago.
Yeah.
We met through Instagram. I went to California, went to have lunch with her. Now she's coming to visit me. Yeah. We are gonna go to Chanel, right, Ty?
Yeah, let's go.
First stop. Look at how cute the sandals. I love the pants with the belt. Oh, look how cute. Wow, look at this bag. This is absolutely incredible. Look at the sparkle. Oh my gosh. How cute. I am in love with these earrings. How pretty the little card holders. This color is gorgeous. Look at that passport. Cute little pouch. Then this beautiful tote. Look at that. Eu gostei dessa nova aqui, ó. That's beautiful. I also love the 19. This is so pretty. Diana, that's gorgeous.
Camel.
Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. That's the perfect size too.
Yeah.
Right? Oh my
Right.
gosh. That's gorgeous. Check out this dress. Look at the detail.
Look at the price.
Look at the price. But man, this is incredible. Wow.
Yes.
This one is gorgeous. Look at this button. Oh my gosh. Just money. Ah, esse aqui não tá tão caro assim não. 2800. I love that's classic.
Ah, isso tá muito velho, né?
Tá bem de... Yeah.
Uhum.
There you go. Real logos. I love the detail of the button. Hermes, hello. Oh my gosh. This Evelyn is life.
Okay, I'm taking a picture of that.
Guys, check this out. This is an ombre Birkin. Oh my gosh. Huge, but look at this with the purples and blues. This is absolutely incredible. Check it out. And look at these boots. These are new. I have not seen them. Multicolor. Look at the little charm, guys. How cute. Guys, look at the home section at Tiffany's. I am absolutely obsessed. Check this out. I want everything from this collection. Look at the bag. But most importantly, remember I bought these right here? I got them all. Only $125 for the set of 4 espresso cups or the 2 big ones. Wow, look at this, how beautiful. Look at this, this is gorgeous. And then look at this. Look at this for your dog and your cat. I am obsessed with this little tray right here. And look at the vase. Salt and pepper. Look how pretty, guys. And the bags. The baby stuff, how cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's adorable. And then check this out. Probably for sushi. And the little candles. So cute. Look how pretty. Next, I'm gonna get these espresso cups. These are gorgeous. This box is $3.75. Look how pretty.
I like this strap.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at this, brand new.
This one has no gears.
Oh my gosh. I love the pastel colors, right? Look at this.
Oh, look at this blue.
So cute. All right, so we are at Louis Vuitton right now, kind of looking at ready to wear. I wanted to check out what is new. I'm on the hunt for a skirt. Okay, I love this skirt right here. Oh my gosh. Also like the dress, look how pretty. Shorts. How cute. And then look at the little bags. Look at this, how cute. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. What do we think of these sandals? I think they're so cute. Look at the detail. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Okay, now we are going to Bal Harbour Shops and I have to show you my look. Got Chanel earrings on, this cute bodysuit from Alex. Alex actually has my favorite bodysuits, guys. And then my white skirt from Zimmerman, cute Chanel belt, and then comfy Chanel slides with my green Lady Dior for a touch of color. Crystal has her cute Hermes sandals, looking very summery, very boho, and then her cute little Gucci bag. I like it, Lala. I like the hairdo too, very summer, right? The plan is to go have lunch at this gorgeous restaurant by the beach and then hit the stores. We are on our way to lunch and I can't wait to show you guys how beautiful this spot is. Next time you're in Miami, you're definitely gonna wanna check it out. Hi, girlies! Hi. You excited for lunch?
Yeah.
Woohoo! I am so hungry, you have no flipping idea. These are my beautiful friends, Nancy and Marina. Oh my gosh, I miss them so much, you guys. It's so much fun to have everybody here. Marina looks like a total rich bitch. Look at this. I can't with these ladies, man. Hi, Marina. Hi, Nancy. Hello. How gorgeous. Posted this one, Nancy. This is so beautiful. Yes.
Mine too. Bring it to us because we can try to fix this for you. Okay.
Miren otra vez estos, salieron otra vez. Todo el mundo me encanta. These are pretty too.
Yeah, I love them all.
Let's put in the tray what you like. So this and this. But if you have anything that felt like a little...
Oh, so pretty. See the bags.
I really like that one because it has a really nice price and it's solid.
I like the hoops. I like these hoops. Either one. That's gorgeous. So pretty. Crystal wants this bag. She wants the python, obviously. You're very high maintenance, child. Crystal's obsessed with this bag right here. Look at the colors, how cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. Check this out. Oh my gosh, check this out. How adorable. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. Look at the colors. I use my black ones so much. I want more of them. It's insane. How cute. Let me see, Lele. Oh, so cute. Are they comfortable?
Yeah.
Oh, Lala, I'm in love. You want?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we'll take this one. Look at this Zimmerman dress. Oh my God, look at this detail. Wow. Oh my goodness gracious, look at this dress. This is stunning. All right, this is it. We did a little shopping, right, Crystal?
Yep, and I can't say no.
And I did big shopping. I'm so excited. Unboxing coming up for all of our goodies, okay?